Hello friends, my name is Adilson, and let's watch another video about cutting glass. Today our goal is to make a cut. In the center, we will remove a dent in this glass. First, I would like to say that usually when we see this type of cut, in box or tempered glass or in general, these cuts are not made like we will do. These cuts are used machines, pneumatic machines using diamond discs like this one here. This is a disc suitable for glass. It looks like a disc for marble, but it is not. I bought this recently. I used it 2 or 3 times. I need to use a normal marble saw. So when you buy it, just check the diameter of the shaft of your marble saw, whoever has it set, and ask for the diameter of the hole suitable for this. These discs cost between also depend on the thickness. They have 2 or 3 thicknesses, if I'm not mistaken, and it will depend on the brand and obviously where you buy a tea. Well, our goal here today is to do this. This cut not using this disc, not using this saw, but using a normal cutter, a normal scorer, a ruler, a pair of pliers for roughing, a pair of curved nose pliers for roughing glass, and a drill bit previously. I've already drilled my glass here, where I want. That is the corners, where it is limited. I used a small drill bit, so as not to have a very rounded corner, which was my goal. But that depends on each person's need and disposition. Oh, see, I'm using 6mm glass here. I'm using 6-pack glass. It's not a big glass, so there's a big chance that the glass will break. But let's see what happens here. Let's do ours. Let's draw and see what happens. First line, marked first. A second one, horizontal. And let's go to the third one already. All the lines ended in the holes. With that, this break line won't go straight through, or at least I reduce the chance of that happening, so now we're going to hit the opposite side so that this glass comes loose. Well guys, my ear is already, to tell the truth, it even started to crack here. Unlike what we usually see in movies, this piece won't come out by pulling. If it were in the center then, like in the movies, only in Hollywood. Only Hollywood people can do that. So what are we going to do? Let's sacrifice this piece here. Oh, with pliers. Let's destroy this piece. Why? So I can preserve my surrounding area. I ended up taking too long. I hit it a little too hard, and I already had a loss here. If I needed this piece, I would have made a mistake and discarded it. Be careful with your eyes. Protect your eyes. Wear safety glasses at this time. And gloves. Wear good gloves. Ready? We did it. It wasn't a perfect cut. It's not easy to make this kind of cut by hand. Now we pick a lot of finishing, a lot of sandpaper. Well, it works. Another way to remove this section would be after. You can get some little taps. It would be to make several holes with a drill. So, you can take it off, and it will break. And you will take it off. Maybe it would cause a lot less chips than the problems I had here. I really had a lot of problems. And it would be a lot of work to sand this glass. And even then, it probably wouldn't work the first time. So, here's a tip. You really have to do it with a lot of patience, a lot of calm. At home you'll have more time than I have here. Otherwise, the video will be too long. And thank you. Exhausting for everyone, right? So, the ideal thing is to really make several holes. Well, take it out with these pliers here, very calmly. A regular pliers also works. But be very calm, very patient. Careful there. I emphasize gloves, good gloves, and safety glasses, because it flies a lot. A lot of glass carpets. Okay guys, a big hug.